Working with MoveUp has been an awesome experience for Varsity Movers. We have tried to handle recruiting on our own for a number of years, and as I'm sure other business owners know, it is not an easy task to accomplish effectively. MoveUp has been incredible every step of the way, from Hunter on the sales side and Winston to Juan helping us out with the onboarding. Everyone is extremely knowledgeable when it comes to what they do, recruiting. And the results speak for themselves. We've been working with them for a couple of weeks. We're signed on for the 3-month program right now. We'll probably sign up for 6 and potentially even more in the future. We get 2 locations, so we're working on one right now. We're probably gonna hop on with the other one as well. The results in those couple of weeks have truly been incredible. I don't know where the heck they source these leads, but it's amazing. We've got some really, really good applicants with a ton of experience. And the fact that we can see a video of them prior to accepting or denying an in-person interview is a really, really cool feature that they have that we have loved. So nothing but great things to say about MoveUp and the entire team over there. If you're on the fence about doing it, it is the best money you can spend investing in good labor. I think, whatever we're paying right now, we're gonna, at a minimum, 10x it with the guys that we bring on. So again, if you are on the fence, I would say giving it a shot. They have some guarantees in place, which is cool, and it's definitely worth every single penny.